This is the easiest way I know of to tell if a fossil is going to be real or if it's a replica when you're at the museum. When you are looking at a real fossil, the museum is going to take utmost care to take care of that thing. Real fossils are cradled in supports that distribute the weight evenly, protecting them from any stress or damage over time. These cradles are specially designed to hold the fragile specimens without altering or damaging it. But replicas are going to be a different story. Because they're often made of durable materials like resin, museums mount them with rods that run directly through the bone. This helps create those impressive displays like skeletons standing upright or posed in mid-action in a fight or something. If you want to see how fossils come out of the ground and how they're prepared for a museum display, subscribe to my channel and join me on my adventures.